Like I said, there are some banks who may not count social media income as regular income. But I also know people who have had it counted as regular income because they went and bought from the bank which receives their money. If the bank has received your money for 12 months and over, and the bank is guaranteed that you get your payments and they come regularly, and it's a certain minimum. Zip.
If they have the worship here and they should have one day.
But obey any Phoebe, when we get to the border, I'll fix it. I'll fix it.
What is it?
It's not.
Why did you let me leave?
We didn't see it.
Now.
Yeah. Marcia, thank you. So if she had to co-buy, no surprises. No surprises there. And it would be a strategic move. Nothing to be embarrassed about. And it doesn't illegitimize the payment, the buying of the house at all. There are parents who co-buy with their children because their children can't get mortgages alone. The houses are not owned by the parents. The parents just go on to assist so that the parents' incomes are counted. If my children wanted to buy and they need me to co-buy, we will not even discuss it. I will go on as a co-buyer with my children just so it becomes easier for them. Yeah, it depends. It really depends on where you are at. It depends on the financial institution you are dealing with. It depends on your credit record. It depends on many things. So some people have been able to get mortgages with social income. Some people, a lot of people don't. Because if a bank is traditional, they do want to see an employer and they do want to see a contract. And if a bank wants to see a contract, social media does not have contracts with us. We are freelancers. But these days, freelancing is also a legitimate way for people to earn. So some people have started acknowledging and accepting the social media and the freelancers' income if it is steady and regular. This one. Okay. So Miss Sandra, you do mortgages, right? I only know this from my experiences as a mortgage customer and in the stories around me and my friends. This is your area, so you would be able to advise on this. Absolutely. I'm so glad you are on and you can balance out and give us the technically accurate information. So if I wanted to co-buy with my kids, I could co-buy with my kid and my kid will own the house. I don't intend to have a stake in the house. I am just co-buying so that my income can be considered, so that the application can be strengthened, so that it increases the likelihood. So yeah, co-buy situations exist on many levels. I've shown you a guy who wants to co-buy with a random guy that he wants to marry. That's somebody's smart way to get a partner to co-buy with.